Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to High Tech Tins. How to maintain your Android phone's hardware. First, let's see how to maintain the hardware of your phone. All hardware inevitably degrades over time, but the way you use your phone can greatly influence on how long it will last. 1. Avoid exposure to water and dust. Try your best to avoid exposure to water and dust whenever you can. Sometimes the damage done because of these elements is not immediately obvious but only becomes noticeable when it's already too late and you're not sure what's wrong with your phone. Of course, some phones can come with IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, but they're still not invincible. For instance, prolonged exposure to water can sometimes build rust in the charging port, and dust can enter the speaker or mic and affect call quality. Number 2. Use a case and screen protector. Most people use a case and a screen protector to protect their phone from accidental drops. It's a practice that you probably also follow. Thankfully, these accessories are pretty cheap, so if they get damaged over time, you can just replace them. Doing so will not only protect the hardware, but will also make your phone feel new again. Number 3. Clean all openings and buy anti-dust plugs. Over time, the openings of your phone will accumulate dust. Dust in the USB port can interrupt charging and data transfer, mess up audio in the headphone jack, and worsen call quality in the mic and speaker. To remove dust and lint, take a toothpick, pour the SIM ejector tool, and gently scrape it out of the openings. You can also buy anti-dust plugs from Amazon to seal the openings completely. Number 4. Clean the screens, cameras, and sides. Similar to the last point, the screen, camera unit, and frame of your phone will also get dirty over time due to fingerprint smudges and dust. Some phones come with an oleophobic coating on the screen which prevents fingerprint marks, but that coating won't last forever, so it's a good idea to clean your phone at least once a day. For more info, you can always come back to our full guide on cleaning your phone's body. If your phone requires repair for any reason, avoid trying to repair it yourself unless you're an expert, since you may end up causing even more problems than there already are. Instead, take it to an authorized repair center for the best results. How to maintain your Android phone software. Just maintaining the hardware of your phone is not enough. If you want to keep it running smoothly for a long time, you also have to take care of the software. Here's how to do so. 1. Don't bloat your device storage. If you often find yourself having to free up storage on your phone, that's an obvious sign that your phone is struggling to function properly. If there's no room left for new files and apps, even temporary ones, your phone will start to lag and will slow down. The fastest ways to get a lot of storage back is to delete all wasteful apps from your phone. Number 2. Keep your apps and the operating system updated. Software updates are important for your phone because they help with performance improvements, increase power efficiency, remove bugs, and add new features. You can easily find the option to see if there is a new OS update available for your phone in the settings. The same goes for the apps on your phone. Keeping them updated minimizes errors and bugs. To update the apps on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store app, tap on your profile picture, select Manage Apps and Device, and tap Update All. 3. Avoid graphics-intensive games your phone can't handle. Unless you have a dedicated Android gaming phone, you should not try to push your device to its limits. Even if you have a flagship, the device will still struggle to retain its peak performance if you play graphics-intensive games for long periods of time. If you have a budget or mid-range phone, you should avoid playing these games altogether since it's very likely that your phone will overheat and the processor will not be able to handle the heavy workload. As a result, your phone will lag, freeze, and may even restart unprompted. Number 4. Don't download apps and files from unverified sources. This one should be obvious, but a lot of people fall prey to malicious apps and malware they unintentionally downloaded from the web. When it comes to matters of security and privacy, it's better to be safe than sorry. Google Play Store is safe for the most part, but you'd be wrong to assume that it doesn't have any dangerous apps. All app stores do. Don't browse sites that look obviously scammy and avoid clicking on links that feel too clickbaity. Stick to what has proved to be reliable. Maintain your Android phone for longevity. How well you take care of your phone is one of the many things that affect its lifespan. If you don't maintain your phone at all, it'll naturally show signs of degradation much earlier, and hence you'll need to buy a new phone sooner than necessary. If properly maintained, you can save money on repair costs and expect better performance over the long term. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.